Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to monetize your TikTok account. Now open up the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android. And first, let's just tap on the profile button at the very bottom right. If you're starting to grow a following and you've got some good views, you can see in this case, hundreds of thousands, you can turn on monetization. The first thing we need to do is to tap on those three lines at the very top right and get into your settings to check something. So tap on Settings and Privacy. And now from here, you're going to tap on where it says Account under Account. Now within here, this isn't a requirement, but this helps you out a lot to first switch to a business account. So tap on Business Account and then go through the process of switching it. Keep in mind, this will give you lots of added functionality, including using commercial music, etc. So after you've done that, let's go back to the very beginning and add your profile. Let's set up monetization. So again, on your profile here, we're going to tap on those three lines at the top right. But instead of getting into your settings and privacy, we're going to get into your TikTok Studio, and this will allow us to turn it on. So tap on Studio here. Now you can see at the very top, it gives you post analytics, etc. But you can see midway down is monetization. So if I tap on monetization to open it up, it will show me first the programs that are eligible for me. So you can see programs for you. I'm going to hit view all. Now in my case, the only program that I have available is Service Plus. However, let's say I want to start the Creator Rewards program. I can tap on it. And the nice thing is it shows me exactly what I need to be able to join. I am 18 plus. I don't have 10,000 followers, but I do have 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. Now, if you don't meet these requirements, you can always tap on the Be Notified when you're eligible, and it will pop up with a notification. After you've done that, the nice thing is if you go back at here and apply all of these monetizations, you'll be able to see at the very top is your rewards. You can see it says estimated rewards, and you can go to view the balance. And after you do start earning money, you can always just use that money and either buy things in TikTok or add a payment method here. And by adding a payment method, you can pull those funds out if you wanted to. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.